Hey guys, Leanne here on Grady's Mom. This is my first official grocery haul in my new house. I have to probably do 2 to 3 more hauls comparable to the size to get us fully back to normal, if that makes sense. But this is the first one. I went to a grocery store called Price Chopper, which is the grocery store I grew up going to with my parents. There are lots of different grocery stores here, but this is one of the ones that I'll be shopping at on a regular basis. I do also plan to get back into my Walmart shopping trips as well, but this is just the one I chose to go to today for my very first grocery haul. This haul was about $150. We also did go to this same store yesterday and get a few mainly drink things, which I'll show you guys as well. After I show you everything here, I just want to put this stuff away first. So again, $150. I'm going to start in the back and work my way around the table. So I got Grady some organic Stonyfield Kids strawberry yogurt pouches, a couple Kraft mac and cheeses, some Danimal smoothies. Got a bunch of canned things because I have to stock my dry goods. So got dark red kidneys, another thing of dark red kidneys. This is the Price Chopper brand. I got 2 things of tomato paste to make my mom's homemade sauce. I got a dozen eggs. I got some sliced cheddar cheese because, you know, you guys know when you move in, you have a lot of people coming over and I want to have little snacky things like cheese and crackers and stuff to put out. I got some San Marzano peeled tomatoes, again, to make my mom's sauce. Some New England coffee hazelnut cream. This was on sale for $5.99 for the 12-pack, so that was a good deal. Some Price Chopper brand Parmesan cheese. I don't know if I mentioned, but these were 10 for 10. So I got the 25 less sugar for Grady. He likes the less sugar chocolate chip. And then I got the peanut butter marshmallow for Matt, and they were $1 each. They had them 10 for 10. If I had a pantry, I probably would have gotten 10 because that's a deal. I got some Barilla corkscrew pasta. I got some Natural Bliss sweet cream coffee creamer. Some Cabot shredded sharp cheddar cheese. Black loofah was $1 to throw in the shower for my husband when we start showering here, which will be in just a couple days. Meats, I got some Vermont maple sausages to throw in the freezer, some ground beef because I'm going to do chili in the crock pot, I think the first day we move in, which when you guys are seeing this, it should be Monday. I'm filming this on Saturday if you're curious. I got these. This is like a stir-fry fajita beef. It's like sliced like fajita style, and I'm going to make a stir-fry either next week or the week after. And then the chili will be this coming week when you guys are seeing this in the crock pot. These I'll throw in the freezer. I got some Adele's Cajun style andouille sausage because I want to make a Cajun pasta dish that my brother always talks about. He is a chef, so I'm going to have to get like the recipe and the details from him, but I know it calls for andouille, so I grabbed that. I got 2 packages of the Price Chopper brand bacon. I'll probably throw these in the freezer for now, but you guys know I like to keep bacon on hand. I got a huge thing of Shady Brook Farms ground turkey. This is a 3-pound container, so I'll have to cut it in half and freeze half and freeze both halves to get 2 different meals. I got some of the Innovation sticky white rice. I was really happy to see that Price Chopper carried this, and it was on sale for $2.99. These I love. They didn't have these when I lived in South Carolina. It's the Polar brand Diet Half and Half. It's a grapefruit and lemon soda, but it's hard to explain. Like, it's kind of a soda, kind of a juice. It's not really that carbonated, but it's really good. These were 10 for 10. I got a gallon of water for the coffee maker, some yogurts to keep at the house for Grady, Bailey's hazelnut creamer for Matt. I got some pizza flavored goldfish. I don't know, they just sounded good and they were on sale. Some extra crispy tater tots to throw in the freezer as an easy side. Some half and half. Ketchup. I had to get a lot of necessity things that I wasn't able to bring. Some combos. This is the pizzeria one. Some mustard for the fridge. Some Teddy Grahams in chocolate chip. And then some Minions fruit snacks. Got some Cape Cod Mediterranean chips. This is the individual bags of the rice, what are they called? Rice cakes. So this has apple, cinnamon, caramel, and chocolate. I got some Bob Evans sausage, egg, and cheese breakfast sandwiches for Matt for the mornings. Some of these little bites in the birthday cake. Pickles, again for the fridge. I got some Newman's peach salsa. I have to get some corn chips, again, just for snacky things when people come over to see the house. I got a couple cans of soup, so I got this Campbell's chicken, roasted chicken with wild rice soup. Got some mayo just to put in the fridge. I got 2 of these white cannellini beans. Here's the other one. And then some tomato sauce to make my mom's sauce, probably next week. Another can of soup in the Mediterranean style Italian wedding. Some cream of mushroom soup. A couple of these McCormick chili packs. I always do the recipe right in the back of them. They're foolproof, and I have a video which I can link below. I got some butter, the sweet cream salted butter. I think that's everything, guys. Hopefully I didn't miss anything, but yeah, stay tuned. Alright guys, I forgot to insert this clip, and I mentioned that I would, but yesterday we went and we got some bottled water, ginger ale, mini bottled water. Price Chopper sells their own version of the white cranberry strawberry by Ocean Spray, and Grady seems to like it, and it is cheaper, so I'll keep you posted on that. Matt got some beer, we got some Snapple apple, I got some juice boxes and stuff to keep at the house for Grady or anybody that comes over with kids. And then yesterday I grabbed a couple of these Philadelphia cream cheese bagel things, some cheese like little sticks, and then one of these Stonyfield yogurt tube things. And that's what we got in addition to what I showed you today. So I'll see you guys very soon. Hey guys, I just got home from a different grocery store called Hannaford, which is another grocery store that I grew up with. It's like, I believe, in the Northeast, but this haul was $55. I'll probably have to do a couple more, but I'm just kind of chipping away little by little when I have the time. So I thought I would just combine this with the other grocery haul. So in Hannaford, I got some Cantina corn chips, some of these Oreo Thins, the mint. I'm actually going to give some of these to my brother because I don't think he's ever had them and he would like them. Some Mott cinnamon applesauce, some pepperoni because I got the cheese yesterday and I forgot the crackers again, but I want to get crackers, so I have cheese, crackers, and pepperoni to put out when friends or family come over. Got a bag of red potatoes, some of this Marzetti brand Simply Dressed ranch dressing, some organic raspberries, some carrots, some yellow grape tomatoes, some spring mix. Today I'm filming this is Sunday and I'll be cooking here starting Tuesday. I'm very excited. Some cream of chicken soup, some diced tomatoes for the chili that I'm going to do in the crock pot, some black olives, a big thing of olive oil. This is a bag of yellow cooking onions, an English cucumber, some tricolor sweet peppers, some celery, and then some of these, they're the fruit shoot, no sugar added, raspberry and apple, naturally flavored water beverage. I thought I would try them for Grady. But yeah, this is everything I got. A lot of kind of staple produce things, and I will see you guys very soon. Bye guys.